I'm willing to bet right now that you want to start creating more videos, but you, for some reason, have been holding yourself back. To all my 5-day video sprinters watching this, I think you're gonna really appreciate this and relate to it. Number one, it was easier than you thought. We put making videos on such a high pedestal. We set the bar so high that when we're forced to make 5 videos in 5 days, we quickly learn how easy it actually is. We would think so much is involved, all the quality, I have to write the script, I have to get the right video, I'm not quite set up, oh, I have to turn the camera on, I have to get everything set up on the tripod. And really, as you start to go through the week, video 1, okay, pretty easy. Video 2, it's supposed to be bad on purpose. Video 3, now you're actually making your first real video, and you realize, wow, this is actually pretty easy. And this whole time I've been holding back, I've been limiting myself, I've been thinking that video is such a hard skill to do, that only the professionals can do it, and I'm not qualified to do this. And once you actually start doing this, hitting the record button, you realize this is pretty easy. Number 2, quality is not important. Many of you have spent $5,000+ on editing software, that Sony camera of yours that you saw a cool review about, the LED light dome that makes your skin look super smooth and sexy. You only need your phone and a free editing app to get the job done. In fact, a lot of that stuff, the fancy cameras, the editing software, becomes very technical very fast and often can intimidate the video beginner who has no idea what they're doing. They don't know about ISO, f-stop. They kind of freeze because there's so many choices and so many creative options when it comes on the technology side that they end up not doing the thing they intended to do, was to make more videos. So when you remove all that, remove all the technology and all the fancy equipment and just go down to the bare minimum of just your phone and a free editing app, you realize quality is not that important, and it's actually just better to have a video done and out there than to have no videos at all. Point number 3, when you join the 5-day video sprint, there's no judgment here. What I truly think holds people back from making video content is that there's this ultimate judge out there, that there's this approval board full of your high school bullies and your ex-girlfriends, all just sitting there waiting, watching your profile, ready for you to upload that video. And the moment you hit upload and hit publish, that every single nasty person in your life is going to dogpile on you. Well, that's completely ridiculous. When you take the 5-day video sprint, there is no judgment. It's a judgment-free zone. We know that our videos are going to be bad. In fact, day 2, I tell you on purpose to go make a bad video and post it. We realized that the only person actually judging our video was that little voice in our head. If you made it this far into the video, that means you're serious about leveling up your video content game. So click the link down below to join our live call this Sunday. This is a special event, September 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern. The topic at hand, your next 30 days on YouTube. We're taking a deep dive on this, and you don't want to miss it. So click the link down below, put your name down, just your email and name, and I'll see you guys Sunday, September 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Jordan Anderson. This has been the 5-day video sprint. Another one in the books, and I'll see you guys soon.